Welcome back, viewers, on G.Math Academy. Today we are going to talk about again. Our main topic is mensuration. In the mensuration, today we are going to talk about surface area, or we can say total surface area. Both are the same. In short, you can say TSA, total surface area. But don't write in short, but go for the whole. But maybe I will use TSA or somehow the total name. Okay. First of all, we are going to talk about the surface area, about the cylinder, about the sphere, and about the cone. In cylinder, we are going to talk about the first of all about the cylinder. In cylinder, we are concerned here with the surface area of the curved parts of the cylinders. So curved part of the cylinder, if you look at here, this is the cylindrical shape, means round shape. So this is also the sphere, also like a circle, but it is three dimension, because a sphere, it's like a ball. Football, or you can say we can say basketball. Okay, in the cone also, if you look at here, one part is the curved part. So that's why all are the curved part of the cylinder. Somehow we have given a curved part here. Now in the sphere and cones, cylinder, sphere, and cone. So written is cylinder, spheres, and cone. The areas of the plane faces are easiest to find out by the cylinder curved surface area, which is 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h. I just write clearly curved surface area. So curved surface area, just I'm showing you surface area equal to pi r h. And the sphere, also surface area, or either you can, surface area means total surface area. So another way you can say curved surface area, which is equal 4 pi r square. Okay, if you look at here, I said surface area equal 4 pi r, and also this is the surface area, which is the other name of surface area is total surface area. It means I change the surface area to the curved surface area. So it means that in sphere we have surface area or curved surface area, 4 pi r square. So it means total surface area or just surface area equal curved surface area, which is equal 4 pi r square. So we have only one formula for the total surface area or curved surface area in the sphere, so which is 4 pi r square. In cone, curved surface area equal pi rl. Pi rl, I think it's a clear, where l means the slant height. L means the slant height. I just write in clear form pi rl. Okay, so l means the slant height. Okay, this is called the curved part. But sometime you will find he will ask the question, find the total surface area. If you look at here, surface area and curved surface area are different things. Okay, curve means the round part. This is the round part in the cylinder. This is the round part. Okay, this is called the curved. Okay, this is called the curve. Like this is the pencil, this is the curved part, this is the curved part. Okay, so this is called the curve. It's called the surface area, the curved surface area. Okay, now we need to find the total surface area for this. Curved part means either you can say lateral area also. Another name, the curved surface area means the lateral surface area. Later we will talk about, either you can say lateral surface area. Curved surface area or lateral surface area are the same thing. Okay, now I need to find the total surface area. Total surface area, because I don't have too much space, so I'm writing in a short. So total surface area, or you can say just surface area, which is equal the curved part, which is 2 pi r h. The curved part, which is 2 pi r h, 2 pi r h, plus the top face and the bottom face, top face and the bottom face. So area of circle, what is the area of circle? We know that pi r square, so bottom also pi r square. Whenever guys, when remember the point, whenever he say the curved surface area or lateral surface area, we just remove the upper and the bottom part, we just take the curved part, which is the round shape, which is the round shape. So we just ignore the upper end, so we take, because we have here, this is the curved part, the curve look like a circle, so we know the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r, and the height of the circle is h. So if you open the page, if you open it, so it become rectangular. If you open it, if you cut the paper, if the cut the cylinder and you open it, it becomes a rectangle, it becomes a rectangle. But if you fold it and round it, it becomes a circular part, and this is the height, and this is 2 pi r. This is the 2 pi r. So we know that length time width is the area of rectangle. So area of rectangle and equal area of rectangle for this length time width, which mean that so this here is the area of the curved part of this circular shape. Okay, so 2 pi r h plus, because one on the top circle, one is the bottom circle, we know that the area of circle is pi r square, so pi r square. But because one and one, there are two circles, so it becomes 2 pi r h, it becomes 2 pi r h. So either you can write in this way, or because 2 pi r and 2 sorry square, because area of circle pi r square, so this is pi r square, and this is also pi r square. So 1 pi r square, 1 pi r square, there are 2 pi r square. So this becomes the total surface area. It means add the area in the curved part, the top and the bottom. So it becomes, so 2 pi r common between them, take outside 2 pi r common outside. So what left here? Here left h plus, because there are two r, so r square, so one r outside, so it becomes r. So either you can write in this form also, it is the total surface area of the cylinder. But in B part, the total area of sphere or the curved surface area, they are same. So we have only one formula for it, because there is no top, there is, all are the curved part, all are the round shapes, like a ball. So it means there is no upper and bottom face is the other one. So it means, and one more thing guys, it is also called the right cylindrical shape, right cylindrical object. Why I said right cylindrical object? Because when it makes the perpendicular, the height, and this is the height and this is the radius, radius and height make a right angle between it, so that's why it's called the right cylindrical shape also. And see, we are given the curved surface part, and we need to find the total. This is the curved surface part, but if sometime he will ask you find the total surface area, so total surface area for the cone or just surface area, as we mentioned at the top of the title. So total surface area equal the curved part, whatever the curved part, so the curved part pi r l plus, if you look at here, this is one circle, this is one circle we are given here, so that's why we just add it, it becomes one circle. So what is the area of what is the area of this? Pi r square. So plus the pi r square, so this becomes a total surface area of this shape. The curved part is what? This is the curved part from here, this is the curved part, but this is the base of that. So we know the formula, total surface area of the top and the bottom plus the area of the curved surface. Okay, so total surface area, we can say total surface area in this curved part, so total surface area equal area of top and bottom plus the area of curved part, the area of curved surface. Okay guys, So this is called the total area. So this is the curve part, this is the curve part, and this is the area of the surface. This is the surface area of the curved surface. Sorry, bottom and top, area of bottom and top, but there is no top, so only the bottom is. That's why we take one circle. So we know the area of circle is pi r square, but there is no bottom, there is no top, so it's a round shape. So that's why we say whatever the curved part becomes the total surface area. But here the curved surface area, round it, and the top and the bottom, add them, it becomes the total surface area. Okay, we go for the first example, and please remember the formula. If you remember the formula, write them on your copybook and practice them, write them again and again and practice them, then it's then you can remember them. If you remember the formulas, then the whole sheet is easy for you. Or any kind of the question if come in front of you, you can easily handle it. In example number 1, we are given find the total surface area of the solid cone of the radius 4. So it means the solid is given the cone. So for example, this is the cone. So this is the cone. Okay, so we know that this is the radius, this is called the radius, and this is called the vertical height, and this is called the slant height. Vertical height we normally represent by h, and slant height normally we say by l, and this is for r. Okay, find the total surface area. It means we need to find the total surface area of the cone, solid cone of the radius 4. So radius equal 4 centimeter, and the vertical height is 3 centimeter. So this is vertical height, which is 3 centimeter. We need to find the total surface, but we don't have the slant height, because if you look at here, we in the formula we don't need the vertical height. Actually we need the slant height to find the total surface area. So we no need, but this help us to find out the vertical slant height, which we can apply in the formula. So it means this is called the perpendicular. This is also right angle triangle. When the perpendicular on the radius, it become right angle over here. So we apply with this become right angle triangle. So right angle triangle, we apply the Pythagoras theorem. So how can you find the this slant height? So we know that if this is called the longer side, which is the hypotenuse, and longer side equal the square of two short sides, and sum of squares of two short sides, and then take a square root, you find the slant height. Okay, so it means we need to find the slant height, which is equal 3 square the vertical height, and the radius is 4 plus 4 square, take a square root, you find the answer. So it becomes the square root 3 square plus 4 square and equal 5. So it becomes 5 centimeter. So the slant height is 5 centimeter. We found the slant height. We have the radius, which is 4 centimeter. Just apply in the formula, you can find the total surface area. So we know the total surface area of a cone, because in the question he mentioned here, he said find the total surface area of the solid cone. So total surface area of the cone equal pi, the curve part, pi r l, plus the area of the base, or area of the top and bottom. So only we have only one bottom here, so plus this area. So substitute the values. We have the slant height, which is 5. This is 5 centimeter, we just found it. So pi equal, either you can use the pi button from the calculator. I'm just writing as it is, taking the pi outside, or so pi comes outside. R, we know that r equal 4 times l equal 5, plus we took pi outside, so r equal 4 square. Simplify it, it becomes 5 times 4, 20 plus 16. 20 plus 16 becomes 36. So it becomes 36 pi. So this is total surface area. This is total surface area. But write in 3 significant figures. So when you write in 3 significant figures, so total surface area becomes 36 pi. It becomes 113.097335. So I'm just writing 3 significant figures. So after third significant figure, there is less than 5, so no need to increase it. So answer is 113. So answer is 113 centimeter square, because we have area, so area unit is square. So 3 significant, so this is 3 significant answer. This is 3 significant. Okay, in the B part, sorry, in the example number 2, we are given here. In the example number 2, we need to find the surface area of the prism. We need to find the surface area. This is the prism we are given here. We need to find the surface area of it. Okay, now we are given the information. He said whose length is 50 centimeter. It means the length of it is 50 centimeter. This is 50 centimeter. I'm just writing in clear handwriting. And whose cross section mean the area of whenever you cut the prism any from where, so whatever area on the top, it would be area on that particular point where you cut it down. So area of cross section is a regular hexagon. So it means the area of cross section is a regular hexagon. All sides are equal. It means that. So it is a regular hexagon. Okay, which one side is 10 centimeter. It means this side is, one side is 10 centimeter. This is also 10 centimeter. This is also 10, 10 and 10. So we are given the area of that 172. So area of that 172. It means whatever the area of the again, if we say the curved surface area, so we remove the top and bottom as we learn here. If we say the curved surface area, we remove the top and bottom, we take only the curved part. But if we say the total, so we just add in the curve part, upper and the bottom one, the top and the bottom one, we add them, it becomes the total surface area. So it means the total surface area for this also, this and this also the same. So we add them, this become 172 centimeter square also. They are same. As in the statement, there is no general formula for the surface area of the prism. So it means for this, for the prism, we don't have the specific formula. So we know that area of hexagon we are given. So 1 hexagon, 2 hexagon. So it means we just add in the total surface area. So find the area of the 6 faces. If you look at here, there are 1 rectangle, 2 rectangle, 3 rectangle, 4 rectangle, 5 rectangle, and this one is 6 rectangle. So because it's a hexagon, so as we have 6 faces shape, so definitely the rectangle also 6 faces. So we can find the total surface area, 1 plus 1, so it becomes 2. So multiply by 2, so it becomes area of 2 hexagons. 1 hexagon, 1 hexagon, it become area of 2 hexagon, and equal 344 centimeter square. Now area of the 6 rectangular faces, so this is length, this is width, and this becomes the height. Okay, so because the width and height all are the same, this is also 10. So this is also 10 wherever you go. So it means this is, so how many faces are there? There are 6 faces. So multiply by 6, so it becomes 6 times 50 times 10. So 50 times 10 times there are 6 rectangles, because of one rectangle, area of one rectangle is 10 times 50. So this is area of one rectangle. So if you multiply 10 times 50, it becomes area of one rectangle, which is 500. But we have the 6 rectangles, so multiply by 6, so we will find the area of 6 rectangles, so which become 3000. So add them, 3000 plus 344, add them, it becomes the total surface area, which is 3344 centimeter square. This is the total surface area. Okay, again I'm repeating, please remember these formulas, then we can easily find out the solution. Okay, see the next page. On the next page, we are given here question number 1. In question number 1, we are given here, use the pi button from the calculator unless otherwise instructed. Whatever the instruction, if we say find the pi value 3.14, so definitely we use that one. But here I'm using the pi button from the calculator, so we can easily calculate the answer. So calculate the curved surface area, okay, of a sphere. As we learn here, curves, if this is a sphere, okay, if this is the spheres look like a circle. If this is the sphere, okay, so the radius of the sphere is which is given 3 centimeter. This is the radius, because only have one dimension here. uh, one parameter. Now we know the area of the curved surface area or total surface area is the same thing. So curved surface area, which is equal 4 pi r square, which is equal 4 pi r square. This is the curved surface area of uh, the sphere. Just replace the value so you can find the surface area of it. So 4 pi times r is 3 square. 3 square means 9. 9 times 4 equal 36. So it becomes 36 pi. So write the answer in 3 significant figures. So 36 shift, which is 113.097. So I'm just writing 3 significant figures. It becomes 113 centimeter square. So this is curved surface area of the sphere. Okay, so this is called the curved surface area of the sphere. Okay, in the next question, we need to find the total surface area. We need to find the total surface area. We are given here about the cylinder. So in the total surface area in the cylinder, so for example, this is the cylinder. We need to find the total surface area. So this is the curved part, and this and this, add them, it becomes the total surface area of the cylinder, because we need to find the total surface, and where the radius is 4 and the vertical height is 5. So it means the vertical height we are given here, it is 5, and the radius we are given here, which is 4 centimeter. So this is the height, which is 5 centimeter. Okay, now we know the total surface area. Total surface area of the cylinder equal 2 pi r h curved part plus two circles top and bottom, two circles top and bottom, and they are one circle equal pi r square. So because there are two circles, so they have 2 pi r square. Just substitute the values in the formula. So 2 times pi times r equal 4 plus times height is 5 plus 2 times pi times r equal 4 square. Okay, just simplify it. So we know that after simplify the formula, I'm taking, if you look at here, I'm taking the pi outside. I will handle it at the end. So 5 times 4, 20 becomes 20 times 2 equal 40. So it becomes 40 plus 16 times 2, 32. So it becomes 72 pi. So 72 pi equal 226.19. So I'm taking 3 significant figures. So after 6, this is less than 5. So I'm taking 226. So 226 centimeter square. So this is total surface area of the cylinder. Okay, in the next part, C, we need to find the curved surface area of the cone with the radius 6 and vertical height is 8. So the cone is, this is the cone. Okay, so the vertical height, this is the radius which is given r equals 6 centimeter, and this is the vertical height, which is 8 centimeter. So this is the perpendicular, and this in front of this right angle. So curved surface area, curved surface area of the cone, we know the formula for the curved surface area. Curved surface area equal pi r l. But in the question we are given only the vertical height. It means we need to find the slant height first. So first find the L equal. So again, this is the perpendicular and this is right angle. Make a right angle on the radius. So in front of this become a right angle triangle. Now in front of this is called the hypotenuse. So hypotenuse, how can we find? Sum of square of two short sides and then take a square root. So it becomes 8 square plus 6 square. So simplify, it becomes 64 plus 36. 64 36 becomes 100, so which is equal 10. So the slant height is 10 centimeter, what we need here. So we apply the centimeter, so pi times r equals 6 centimeter times the slant height is 10 centimeter, multiply, it becomes 60 pi. So use the calculator, 60 pi, because I just apply the pi equal 60 pi, it becomes 188.4955. So I'm taking three significant because after 8 there is 4 which is less than 5, so no need to increase it. So the answer would be 188 centimeter square. So this is curved surface area. Okay, in the D part, we need to find the curved and the total surface area of the hemisphere. Okay, it becomes the hemisphere if the radius is 7. If the radius is 7. Remember, for the hemisphere, this is the hemisphere. If we say, okay, this is the hemisphere. So we know that this is the radius. So what is the curved part of it? We know the curved part of the sphere. If you make a sphere which is 4 pi r square, so curve means hemi means the half of it. Hemi means the half of it. So curved surface equal for the hemisphere, area of hemisphere, which is equal 4 pi r square is the sphere, but because hemi, so divided by 2, it becomes 2 pi r square. So so what becomes, substitute the value in the formula, it becomes 2 times pi times the r equals 7, so 7 square. Okay, now simplify it. So it becomes 49. 49 times 2, it becomes 98 pi. So 98 pi, it becomes 307.877. So we need to write then 3 significant. After this is 5 or more. So we can increase, so it becomes 308. So the answer is 308 centimeter square. Centimeter square. So this is the curved surface area of the hemisphere, but we need to find the total surface area. So total surface area, also the same formula, total surface area, because we know that the curved surface area or total surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square, but if it is hemisphere, so divided by 2. So hemisphere, total surface area hemisphere, 4 pi r square divided by 2, because it's a curved part. But if you look at here, when it cut it, so there is a circular part. So there is a circular part, so we add this circular part. When you cut, it becomes the circular part over here, so it becomes pi r square, because this becomes circle, so area of circle equal pi r square. So when you divide them, this cancel becomes a half, so 2 pi r square plus pi r square. So it means the formula for the total surface area of the hemisphere becomes 1 and 2 equal 3 pi r square. So this is the total surface area of the hemisphere. So remember this formula, because at the beginning we don't have hemisphere, so we don't have the formula. So here I explained all hemisphere and the sphere, so please remember it. So it becomes 3 pi r square, so 3 times pi times the r square, which is 7 centimeter. So 7 square, simplify, it becomes 49 times 3, 49 times 3, 49 times 3, it becomes 147. So it becomes 147 pi. So simplify, times the pi, then write in 3 significant. After 1 there is 8, so you can write in 3 significant, which becomes 462 centimeter square. So this is the total surface area of hemisphere. Okay, so this is the curve, of the hemisphere, and this and the other one is total hemisphere. Okay, in the next part, E part, question number 1, E. Find the radius of a sphere of the surface area 34. So we need to find the radius sphere. So this is the sphere. Okay, so the R, which is equal, we need to find the total surface area of given 34. So we know the total surface area or surface area is the same formula, so which is 4 pi r square. So we are given here, this is 34, which is equal 4 pi and r square. So this is multiplication. When you transfer, it becomes division. So r square equal 34 divided by 4 pi. So take a square root of it because we need to find the r. So r equals square root. To remove the square, so take a square root, because square is opposite of square root. So take a square root, then simplify. So r equal, so shift square root 34 and 4 pi, that's equal, it becomes 1.6448. So I'm writing three significant figure. From the third there is less than 5, so no need to increase it, so it becomes 1.644 so 1.64 because it's a length one side, so it becomes centimeter. Okay, so here there are the answers of the first question. So hope the first question answers help you to solve the sheet.